Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Elements, all of the items that you add and manipulate are stored in layers. A layer is like a transparent sheet on which content is placed and edited. When there is no content in a layer, it is transparent, allowing you to see through to the content below. You can stack several layers on top of one another to separate the individual elements of a larger image file. This way you can manipulate the contents of a single layer without disturbing the content that appears within the other layers. In this chapter, you will examine how to create and edit layers and their contents to produce various effects in your image files. Understanding and using layers is one of the most critical aspects of being an effective Photoshop Elements user. Whenever you create a new image file in Elements that has a white or colored background, the bottommost layer is called the background layer. An image file can only have one background layer at most. You cannot change the placement of the background layer in the layer stack, change its opacity, or change its blending mode. However, you can convert this layer into a normal layer, which is shown in a separate lesson. If you create a new image with a transparent background, then the image file does not have a background layer. The bottommost layer is not constrained in the way that the standard background layer is. So you can move its position in the layer stack, change its opacity, and even change its blending mode. You use the Layers panel to manage your layers in the selected image file. You can display the Layers panel if it isn't displayed by selecting Window and then choosing the Layers command from the menu bar. In the Layers panel, you will see various layers in the current image file shown in a list. As with the other panels you have seen, this panel has an option button in the upper right corner that you can click to view the options for the panel in a pop-up menu. Let's review the layer panel's features before using it. First, you have the individual layer thumbnails that are shown within the Layers panel. You also have the Link Layers button shown to the left, and the layer visibility icon shown to the left of that. At the right side of the layer is the layer name. Above the layers, you have the layer blending mode and its opacity. In the toolbar at the top of the Layers panel, you have the Create a New Layer button, the Create a New Group button, the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button, the Add Layer Mask button, the Lock All Pixels button, the Lock Transparent Pixels button, and the Delete Layer button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.